tour in Pleasant Hill, Oregon, and we're starting right now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jamie Kenworthy.
And I'm Lauri Howes, and we're realtors with United Real Estate Properties here in the Eugene, Oregon area. And if you can envision yourself sitting on this lovely country porch in the mornings, listening to the sweet sounds of nature while sipping a steaming hot cup of coffee or tea, and enjoying the pastoral views of the countryside, well, this lovely farm home in the heart of Pleasant Hill, Oregon is for you. We're going to tour the grounds of this lovely 1.35 acre property first, and then we'll let Jamie take it away for the home tour. This would be the perfect spot for the gentlemen or lady farmers. The property is so well thought out. I absolutely love how the driveway wraps around the entire property, giving you easy access in and out and to the RV garage and the shop. This first building we're going to check out is a lovely heated potting shed. I think I could spend all day in this potting shed. So this property is on a well and a septic, so let's take a quick peek at the well house. This has got to be one of the tidiest well houses I have seen, and it has a dedicated heater to keep your well house from freezing up in the winter. Next, let's check out this beautiful garden space. It's all fenced to keep the four-legged critters out, and the blueberries and other plants are guarded by some vegetable netting. This garden is so well laid out for easy maintenance, a lot of hard work went in previously so that it's easily maintained at this point. The current sellers have planted this beautiful garden, and the new buyers are going to get to enjoy all the fruits of their labor. There's also pear and apple trees on the property. As we move along, the next building is the RV garage. The RV garage has hookups, and it is 40 feet by 26 feet. Just think how many treasures you could store in this garage if you didn't have an RV. This is lovely space, for sure. The last building I'll be sharing with you today is this lovely, huge 48 by 36 3-bay garage. It has an office space, and it also has a loft upstairs for extra storage. Included in this garage shop is this fantastic car lift, 220 wiring, air conditioning, and heat. I love how this property has a living privacy screen. And you can see how the driveway wraps all the way around back to the main road. Here's a fun fact. The Pleasant Hill community has the oldest school district in Lane County, and it was established in 1847 by Elijah Bristow. Now, Pleasant Hill sports an amazing park. It has equestrian trails, fishing, you can walk along the river, there's a dog park, and it's named Elijah Bristow State Park. Both myself and my daughters graduated from Pleasant Hill High School, and we have grandchildren going to Pleasant Hill today. So if you have any questions about the Pleasant Hill area, we would be happy to share our experience. Now I've concluded my walking tour of the outside of the property, and Jamie's going to take it away with the inside of the home.
This home was approximately built in 1950 and is tastefully remodeled. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,160 square feet on 1.35 acres. As you walk in, you see the living room and family room. A great feature of this home is its surround sound. It goes throughout the entire house and is wired to the gazebo and the shop. As you walk down the hallway, there is a closet for under the stairs. And to your left is the downstairs bathroom. Lots of storage in this home. Here's the first bedroom, which is downstairs and has a closet. Here you walk in to the dining room. And the dining room flows into the kitchen. With the sale of this home, all TVs and appliances come with it. Beautiful countertops and a gorgeous range. Here's a large refrigerator, all stainless steel appliances. You have a very large laundry room with more storage. And now I will take you upstairs to the remaining 3 bedrooms. This home has high-speed internet and cable with Spectrum. It also has forced air heat and a heat pump. Nice sized bedroom here. Of course, with a closet. And the next bedroom here. These are good sized bedrooms. And on to the master bedroom. A sitting area, lots of open space. And onto the master bathroom. The walk-in shower. Now as I quickly move back downstairs through the dining and kitchen area, you have a bonus room with lots of light place to hang your jackets, put your boots, and then we can go out to the gazebo. So right out the back door is a very large gazebo. There are 2 doors on this gazebo that you can open up to have full airflow. Or if you would like them shut, you also have curtains on the whole other side of the gazebo that you can close as well. A nice fire pit for those summer nights or cold winter nights. As I take you around the outside of the gazebo, I'll let you know about the roof. It is only a few years old. And remember, there's surround sound throughout the house and wired to the gazebo and the shop. All TVs and appliances come with the home. It has high-speed internet and cable with Spectrum. There's forced air heat and a heat pump.
Thank you so much for joining us today on this home tour in Pleasant Hill, Oregon.
You get all of this for $899,000.
If you have any questions about this property, all of our contact information is in that description box below. If you have any comments, go ahead and put them in that comment box below. Please give us a like and hit that subscribe button, because it's our goal to get 1,000 subscribers this year, and it's not that easy with a real estate channel. So we're working hard to bring you what you want. If there's something we have not done, put it in the comment boxes and we will get to it for you.
Thanks for watching.
See you next week.